Former Union Minister of State Pratima Bhowmik expressed her condolences to the family of 10-year-old Abhirup Deb Nath, who lost his life in a tragic road accident on the night of Maha Ashtami. She was accompanied by former MLA Malina Debnath, former Tripura Women's Commission Chairperson Barnali Goswami, and local residents. It is noteworthy that on the night of Ashtami, the father and son had gone out to see the pandals when they were seriously injured after being hit by a reckless car. On Sunday morning, former Union Minister of State Pratima Bhowmik visited the family of 10-year-old Abhirup Deb Nath at their home in the Shimnath Lane area of Dharmanagar to express her condolences. She stood by the grieving family members and was accompanied by former MLA Malina Debnath, former Tripura Women's Commission Chairperson Barnali Goswami, and local residents. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.